Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are gonna make a cute bird. We need paper, glue, bowl, a small bowl, scissors and a scale. Scale is optional. So I took a bowl, traced it with a pencil and cut it. I did the same with the small bowl. Okay. So first let's start with the head. We'll take one of this one. You can take any color of your choice and cut it like a beak. Now we are gonna stick it. Now we'll take the other circle and stick it on top of it. Now we'll spread it with a finger or hand. Now we'll stick it. Now we'll keep this aside. Now let's take the other two big circles. Fold it just above the edge. Now we'll stick the head to this part. Now we'll put glue. And stick it. Now we'll have to fold it like this. Now we'll stick this tail. And stick it. Now I stick the tail. Now we'll draw the eyes. Now we'll take the scissors and cut the wings slanting. We'll cut the wings slanting. Now we'll fold the feathers like this. Take one up and leave another. Take another up and leave. Do like this. Now the part where you didn't put glue, take it. Our bird is ready. See, it swings. Make sure you like, share and subscribe my channel. Bye.